Yeah. So sorry for that. When I speak, suddenly it's turned off. So I don't know what happened. Oh, turns out the time is up. Sorry, yeah. Let's continue again. Okay, so far we have Ifa is joining, Arya, Ella, and Putri is here also. Okay, great. Then we can continue again. Okay. Hi, Ifa, Ella, Arya, and Putri. Okay. Can
Hi,
you all
Papa.
listen? Yeah, can you all listen to my voice? Or was I talking to myself again? I hope not. Okay, so again, Ifa, I'm sorry for that. Ifa, again, the sentence that I asked you before, the one that you say it's correct, why do you study English is correct? Because there's a verb. Karena ada verb di situ. Sama dengan pertanyaan yang Kakak Vano pernah kasih, where are you come from? Atau where do you come from yang betul. Most of you say, where are you come from? Kebanyakan bilang, where are you come from yang betul Kakak Vano. Padahal setelah belajar, oh where do you come from yang betul. Kenapa? Karena kalau ada verb kata kerja, kalau ada verb kata kerja, berarti untuk pertanyaannya kita tidak bisa pakai to be, we have to either use do atau does, oke? Okay? Tapi karena you, subjeknya itu you, so we have to use do. Do you, do I, do we, but if the subject is she, he, or it, then we have to use does. Okay? One more, okay? One more example and then you can continue it by doing your own examples. Okay. Okay. Ifa, can you answer me maybe which one is correct? Where does she live or where is she live? Which one is correct, Ifa?
Where does Kavano?
Why where does is correct?
Karena ada hmm,
Karena ada
karena ada itu kata apa ya kata she-nya.
kata kata what, Ifa?
She,
Kata
she,
she.
she.
Okay, because ada kata she, uh, n- not really the main problem there. She, yeah, we do use she karena does, tapi bukan the correct or the exact answer. Ya. Kenapa tidak pakai where is she live? Kan to be-nya untuk she kan juga is, she is, kan betul. Why, Ifa?
Karena wait ya mana? Ibu masih bingung.
Still confused? Try to look on the example that I write above. Contoh-contoh yang Kakak Vano kasih kasih di atas yang ada tanda kuning-kuningnya itu. What are those? Yang itu tuh apa, Iva? Can you tell me? Yang ada tanda-tanda
Ya,
kuningnya di atas. Contoh yang di atas, yang
um,
ini, yang ada tanda-tanda kuningnya itu.
verb Kak Kavano,
What is verb?
kata
What's a
kerja.
verb? Kata kerja. So this one, where is the verb?
Live.
Live. So why do we have to say does she live? Why not is she live? What's the answer?
Because there is a verb
And what is the verb?
live.
Live. Exactly. Yeah. So the problem is not
Oh,
because of she. She itu bukan jadi masalahnya. Of course, ya. Memang pakai das karena she, ya. Tapi pakai is juga karena she, betul. She is. She is a student. That's correct. Itu betul. Okay. Okay, one more then.
oh, thank you Kavano.
Mhm.
Finally.
Finally, okay. Apa lagi ya? Which one is correct?
How do you like it?
Where how do you like it?
Why, how do you like it is correct?
Karena ada verbnya. Verbnya like.
Because like
Exactly.
is verb.
Yeah, good. Great job. Because there's a verb. Ada verb. Jadi pakai do bukan pakai to be. Ya. Last one, terakhir. Wah, I keep saying the last one. Ako na tadi bilang last belum na. Wait ya. Um, sorry. Yeah. Which one is correct?
She the headmaster.
Mm-hmm. Which one is correct? Is she the headmaster or does she the headmaster?
Is she the headmaster?
Why?
Because headmaster is not a verb.
Mm-hmm,
It's a
exactly.
prophecy.
Yeah. It's a profession. Yeah. Of course, headmaster is not a verb. So, which one is correct? We have to say, is she a headmaster? Yeah, so this one is correct. Ya, yang pertama yang betul. Yeah. So if you ask me again, Kak Vano, kenapa is she the headmaster? Betul, Kak Vano. Karena tidak ada verb. There is no verb over here. Verb ini yang bagaimana, Kak? Verb is an action verb. No, it doesn't have to be action. It could be any kind of verb like sing, sleep, like, live, and so on and so on. Okay, so if you see in the sentence ada kalimat verbnya, okay, kalimat verbnya yang bukan verb ing, itu berarti harus pakai is. Okay, is she the headmaster? Bukan does she the headmaster. So this sentence is wrong. Okay, so far, do you understand, everyone? Can you understand the? Wait, yeah. Can you
Yeah.
understand the material so far?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Any question so far before you do your own example? Any question maybe?
No.
Okay, I only listen from Putri. What about others? Do you have any questions so far? Do you understand? Do you, I don't. Okay, Ella, Arya, Chris. Oh, Chris is joining. Do you have any questions so far? You understand? Is everything crystal clear? So that's the thing about teaching. You have to make sure that your students understand first before you continue.
Kakak,
Yeah, Chris, what is it?
could you explain me the first and the second
The first and the
again?
second again. That's the problem, Chris, because you're joining late, so you do not know what were we talking about, right, Chris?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So the thing is, we only have around 40 minutes in this meeting. So it would be a waste of time again if I have to explain it to you one more time. So maybe when I already post the video on my YouTube channel, you can go check it there. Okay, Chris? So maybe you can
Okay.
just follow up after this, okay? Yeah, so that's the consequences of coming late. Jadi konsekuensi coming late-nya ya itu, ya you're not going to know what are we talking about. Nanti susah ini Kakak Fano dong ngomong apa dari tadi ini maksudnya do dashi ini maksudnya apa Kakak Fano ya. So make sure next time you have to come early. Jadi sering ketinggalan karena ya sayang teman-teman lain juga ya maksudnya kalau Kak Fano mesti ulang dari present tense kung formula ulang lagi, okay? So Chris, you can check it on the YouTube channel after this, okay? Okay. But the point is we're
Okay.
talking, yeah, the point is we're talking about present tense. Hari ini kita belajarin tentang present tense. Example-nya sudah paling banyak ini ya. Okay, good. Okay, so if no more questions from everyone, then I'll give you 5 minutes. You make your own examples, and then I'll type it down here. Okay, 5 minutes to make your own examples. Use the verbal sentence. And if you're done,
One
please.
example, Kakak.
One example, make positive, make negative, and make question. So you have to make 3 sentences. Make 3 sentences. Okay. Okay. To help you, Chris, maybe I think I'm just gonna show you the example. Okay, because Chris come late. Yeah, this is the example. You can look it up right there. So these are the example: positive, negative, interrogative. Okay, if you're done, please let me know. Where's my phone? Oh, if I cannot listen to your voice. I'm sorry. Say it again.
Eh, buat berapa contoh Kak Vano?
Oh, okay. One sentence, but you have to change it into negative, interrogative. So three sentences. One sentence for positive, then change it into negative and interrogative, which means in total there would be three sentences. Okay, Ifa? In total there would be three sentences. Okay?
And sometimes like that
Oh, that's the
or like
adverb
that.
of frequency. That's the adverb
Oh,
of frequency. We do use that for present tense, but I think I'm just gonna leave that for the other meeting. We can, however, use that for present tense. Yup, we do use that, but I'm gonna leave that for the other meeting. Okay, so for now because we're just studying about this, so we're studying the basic one. So you could say like, I usually wake up in the morning. Yeah, I sometimes make or I sometimes drink tea. I often eat uh, fried rice, something like that. You could use that, of course, yes. But for the materials, I'm gonna discuss about it later. Okay, not for today's class. Okay, Putri.
okay.
Okay, great. So just make the simple questions like this. Now, if you make the sentence like this, that's okay. But if you do want to use that, that's okay. The adverb of frequency. Sometimes, often, seldom, never. Okay, go ahead, Putri.
Mm, um, uh, uh,
Uh-huh.
I watch uh I watch anime. I don't watch anime. Do I watch anime?
Okay, I don't watch anime. And
Do
the last
I
one,
watch an- do
do
I
I
watch
watch oops, anime? Question mark. Yeah. Do you put your question mark there, Putri? You have to put the
yes
question mark. Yeah, always have to. Remember, this is a question, so you have to put the question mark. Yeah, good, great. The sentence is correct. Great job. Okay, so Putri done. What about others? Ifa.
Me,
Okay, Chris. Yeah, go ahead.
I play a game with my brothers. I don't play a game with my brothers. Do I play a game with my brothers?
Yeah, great job. I play a game. Oops. Oh, wait. I play a game with my brothers. I don't play a game with my brothers.
satu dua tiga empat.
Yeah. Do I play a game with my brothers? Yeah, great job. Okay. So far, Putri and Chris done. What about Ella, Ifa, and Arya?
Me, Kak Vano.
Okay, Ella, go ahead. What's your
Lira
sentence?
makes okay. Lira makes a birthday cake. Lira
Lira,
doesn't make a birthday cake. Does Lira make a birthday cake?
birthday cake. Does Lira makes a birthday cake? Yeah, okay. The sentence is correct. Good job. Okay. Last one. Oh no, not the last one. We have Arya and Ifa still. Okay, so Arya and Ifa, who wants to say their example first?
Me kakak.
Arya, okay. Go ahead, Arya.
She buys a new car.
She, can you say it again? She,
She buys a new car.
okay, she buys a new car. Good job. The negative,
He doesn't buy a new car.
yup. The interrogative,
Does she buy a new car?
great job. Yeah, very good, Arya. Okay, Ifa, last one,
Ya
Ifa.
kakak.
She feels good. She doesn't feel good. Does she feels good? Does she feel good?
Ah, good. Good job. Okay. She feels good. Does she feel good? Without S there. And does she feel good? Good job. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, so I think for the example and all of them you understand. While waiting for me to look for the exercise, I'm gonna give you more time. This time I'm gonna give you about 2 or 3 minutes. Try to make a nominal sentence. The example for nominal sentence. Okay, so that one, the one that we just made before, are verbal sentences. Okay, now I'm gonna give you time to make nominal sentence. In nominal sentence, there are no verb. Okay, remember there are no verb. So go ahead. If you all finish, if anyone finished, then tell me, okay? I will find the exercise first.
I'm finished.
Okay, Putri, go
I'm
ahead.
finished.
Yeah. Can you read yours, Putri?
Um, I am a otaku. I am I am an otaku.
I am an otaku. What is aku? What's otaku? What's that? Because I know the word
Like
otak. I know the word otak, but I don't know what is otaku.
no
Oh, otaku, my brain is bad.
uh,
What's
no
that? Oh no. What's that?
um otaku is kayak istilah
Aku
untuk orang-orang yang suka anime di in Jepang.
Ah, okay.
Depends.
otaku
Okay.
otaku.
Okay, I see. Okay, good, Putri. Can you say it again? I am an otaku and then
And interrogative
negative first.
and negative. Oh, negative. Okay. I am not an otaku.
Last one for question.
I mm, I am not an otaku. Am I an otaku?
Yep, good. Great job. Okay, very good. One more example. One more example, everyone. Who's done? Nominal sentence.
Maybe me one.
Okay, Ella. Go ahead, Ella.
Okay, okay. Eva is beautiful. Eva is not beautiful, and is Eva beautiful?
Okay, good. Good sentence. Very good. Okay, great job. Very good, everyone. Okay, so we're done with the nominal and verbal sentences. For others, if you also have nominal sentences, please let me know. Okay, but if you don't have, that's okay. I will ask you after this again. So if you have, then go ahead. But if you don't
Ini
have,
kakak.
that's Chris. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Before we continue with this one, go ahead, Chris.
Hmm. She is my teacher. He is not my teacher. The she is my teacher.
Good, so far good. But the last sentence for question, you actually use double question mark. So you use does, is, yeah, does, is. Which one do we use, Chris? What do you
Iya.
think? Yeah, which one do you use? I know
Eh,
because you came
i-
late, so maybe you're kind of
is he
confused. Is, great job. So we use
is he
is.
is he my Oh yeah.
He my teacher? Yeah, that one is correct. We cannot say does he my teacher. That would be wrong because there is no verb. Okay? When there is no verb, ketika
Okay.
tidak ada kata kerja, then we use to be. Is he my teacher? Is he an otaku?
Mm.
Yeah. Is Eva beautiful? Yeah. Good. Great job. Okay. So very good, everyone.
Great.
Very good example for what was it? Nominal sentence. Now we go back to present tense. Let me check. Is this verbal or nominal? Okay, some of them maybe have nominal sentence there. Okay, number one. Can I have Arya to do it? Can you do number one, Arya? And I want the
Yes,
explanation as
Kakak.
well. I want the explanation as well. Remember, if you're studying with me, I want the explanation. Why? So you choose which one is correct
Yes,
and
Kakak.
tell me why. Yeah, go ahead.
Number one, Bob always drinks tea in the morning.
Mhm.
Uh,
Which one, Arya?
Bob always drinks tea in the morning, Kakak.
Drinks with S, correct? S, Arya?
Yes, Kakak.
Okay. Great. Why?
Yes,
Why do you choose drinks, not drink?
I just drinks because Bob is the third person.
Yeah, good. Great job.
Hmm.
Very good. Okay. Number two.
Yes, Kakak.
Yep. Number two, Ella. Can you do it? Number two.
Number two, what does she like?
Okay. And the explanation, please. Why do you choose that?
Um, because why I choose does because the subject is she, and why I choose like because is a interrogative sentence, so we don't need s or es in the verb.
Great job. Very good. Okay. Number three, Ifa.
My sister my sister don't my sister doesn't play tennis
Why your answer is doesn't?
because ada kata verbnya yaitu play tennis.
Okay. So your answer is because there's a verb, play tennis. Not really. Not really quite there.
Okay.
Because there's a, because the reason is not because of play tennis. It's not actually because of play tennis. So play tennis doesn't have to do with doesn't. Your answer is correct, Ifa, but the answer is not because of play tennis. No. Do you know what, Ifa? What's the correct reason for number three? Why the answer have to be doesn't?
Because sister is third person singular.
Exactly. My sister is third person singular. If I have to change it into subject, would it be he, she, or it? What do you think, Ifa?
The
If I change it into subject, would it be he, she, or it? What do you think?
he
He,
he kakak she.
she, yeah, of course. My sister is a she, not he. Okay, great. Number four, Chris. Chris, are you there? Can you answer number four?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Um, they often visit their grandparents at weekends.
Visit or visits, Chris? Can you say it again?
Visit, visit.
Visit. Without S, okay. Why? Do you know the reason
Uh,
why?
I
That's okay. You can guess first. You can just try to guess.
And okay.
Do you know,
Mm,
Chris? Or you don't? That's okay if you don't. You don't, right, Chris? Okay. If you don't know, that's okay. Can anyone help Chris? Why the correct answer is visit and not visits? Okay, Putri,
Me.
go ahead. Why?
Why visit and why not visits plus S? Because there is a they. They is not a third person singular. That is
Yep.
plural. Plural
Great job.
and well, you don't have to
Yeah.
plus S or E.
Plus S or ES. Great job. Okay, very good explanation. Okay, so Chris, again, we cannot use S, visits. It would be wrong because of the subject. So the subject have to be either she, he, and it. Then we can use S or ES. Depends on the verb also.
okay.
Good, very good. Okay, Putri, number 5. I think it's going to be easy for you.
We sometimes go to the ice rink.
Mhm. Well, you already say it before. That's okay. Yeah. So you don't have to say the explanation again. You see, but I will explain something for you, Pute. So before you ask me about always and the other, what is it? Adverb of frequency, right? So in this examples or in this exercise, they use it. So we have always, we have often, we have sometimes. Yeah, so you could use it, of course, you could use it for present tense, but for now, we're not going to talk about it yet. Maybe on the next meeting we will. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's continue again. Number 6. Ella, go ahead. Number 6.
Number 6.
Mm-hmm.
Where do your parents come from?
Yeah. Why?
Because because the subject is parents more than one, so it's could be they.
Good. Very good. Okay, number 7, Ifa.
Do you want? Do you want to go home?
Okay. Do you have the explanation for that, Ifa? Do you want to go home?
Hmm, karena kan ada subjeknya to do toh you jadi pakai itu pakai do terus karena ini interrogatif jadi saya harus pakai tambah s di belakang.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Good. Great job, Ifa. Okay, last but not least, Chris. Go ahead, Chris. Oh, we have 10 minutes left. Okay. Chris, can you answer number 8?
Uh, I don't watch television after school.
I don't watch television after school. Great job. Okay. Now we have 5 numbers and let's make it fast, okay? Because we have around 9 minutes and I hope this is, you can finish it faster. Okay, so number 1, Putri, let's continue with you over here. So the verb is over here. Okay, pay attention on the types of the sentence as well. So if you see the question mark like this, which means it's a question. Okay, but if you don't see any question mark or the normal verb like this, which means it's a positive sentence. Okay, so go ahead, Putri.
Hmm, who does Sally visits in Spain?
Who does Sally? Can you repeat that again? Who does Sally
Vi- Visits visit plus S.
visits plus S? Okay. Ins-
No, 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 no. Maybe no. Visit, visit.
Maybe no visit. Ah, okay. Uncertainty,
Then,
ketidakyakinan. Why? Why? Oh, okay, wait. No, no. Let's continue with this one
um,
first. Let's continue with the other sentence first, and then you can explain. Yeah. She, she
she visited plus S
says,
her aunt and uncle.
good job. Can you explain to me?
Um, I use does because Sally is a third person singular,
Yep.
and I use visit because that is the interrogative sentence, and I use physics because that is uh
Mm-hmm.
normal sentence. I don't know what's the
Positive
name.
sentence, yeah. But why plus s?
Ah, yes, positive.
Yeah, but why plus s?
Because because Sally because she is a third person
Ah,
singular.
yeah, good. So that's the answer, okay? Because of the subject, not because it's a positive sentence. If I change she into I, that would be correct. I visit, without the s, of course. Yeah, so it always depends on the subject. Great, very good, Putri. Okay, number two, let's go back to, wait, someone chat me, I have to check it first. Ifa, can you do it?
Number berapa?
Number two.
Bebetong bebebat to school by bus. Does Tom go to school by bus? Does Tom goes to school by bus?
Mm-hmm.
Goes atau
Oh,
kan?
goes, okay.
Goes or go?
Goes. Okay. And then,
No, he doesn't. He goes to school on foot.
he goes to school on foot. Okay. Can you explain, Eva, why do you answer that?
Das karena Tom tuh kan itu satu orang aja. Terus
Third person
goes
singular, yeah.
karena yes. Abis itu goes hmm? Kakak paling
Uh-huh.
yang kalimat pertama Iva punya ganti dengan go karena itu interrogatif jadi boleh pakai
Yes.
yes. Kakak,
Okay.
sorry, my grandma is coming.
Oh, that's okay.
Because
Yeah,
itu
that's okay.
interrogatif and he
Uh-huh.
doesn't itu pakai goes karena
Yep.
itu bukan kalimat interrogatif.
Yep. Great. And also because of the subject. Don't forget the subject. Okay. If you say it's a positive sentence, not quite correct, but if you say because of the subject, then okay, that's okay. Okay, number three, Ella, go ahead. Be careful, there's
Number
a not over here, which means I assume this has to be
ah
negative sentence. Yeah, so be
okay
careful.
okay.
Yeah.
What does she what does she watch on TV? She watch she watches plus es. Okay. The news, but she doesn't watch soap operas.
Okay, good. Can you explain that?
Uh,
Any explanation for that?
I use does and watch in the first sentence because she is third person singular, and because it is interrogative sentence, and watches because it's a new sentence, and doesn't watch because there's but, so it's mean like it's a new sentence too.
Yeah. Okay, good. Good job. Okay, number four, Chris, can you do it?
Yes. Um, does they like swimming?
Does they like swimming? Last one? I mean the
Yes,
next
they
one?
do. But
Hmm.
yes, they do, but they doesn't like running.
They doesn't like running. Okay. Can you explain to
Yes,
me why
don't,
do you answer that?
don't.
Yeah, they
Kakak
doesn't.
don't, kayaknya kakak don't.
Don't. Okay. Don't. So it's not doesn't. It's don't. Okay. Can you explain to me, Chris?
Eh, tapos, wait ka please.
Hmm. Okay. That's okay. Okay, while waiting for Chris, everyone, let's do number five together because we have around 2 minutes left. I don't know if it's not going to be enough. So let's do it together. Number five. When, when,
When do you go to a football match? I go to a football match on Sundays.
Sundays. Okay, great. Let me check first. Okay, let me check first. And then let's see if we got all correct or no. Okay, we got number four. Does is wrong. Okay. And the rest are correct. Wow. So far we got all correct, except for number four. So Chris, your answer over here, it's wrong. Can you explain to me why?
Yeah, it is done.
Hmm. Why it's wrong?
Because eh, there is do
Do. Great job. Why do? Why not does? Okay.
because that is used to he she it.
He, she, it. Good. Great job. Very good. So well done, everyone. Yeah, we only got one mistake over here for number four. That's okay. Yeah. Okay. So far, do you have any questions about present tense? Anyone? Can you understand about present tense?
No.
Ifa, Putri, Chris, Ella, can you understand about present tense?
Yes.
Yes, Stefano.
Yeah, okay, good, great. So, um, that was really good, everyone, and you can also understand it very fast. And on the next meeting, I'm not sure. Maybe I will continue again with speaking, or maybe I will continue with grammar again. Okay, but so far you're done very good. There will be no homework for today's class. There will be no homework, so don't worry, everyone. And that's also thank you for joining today's class. And I'll see you again next meeting, everyone. Okay, because we have less than 1 minute now. Yeah, I'll see you all again next meeting. Okay, bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.